Yeah, hi everyone, Mr. Markwick here. The purpose of today's video is just to run through how to calculate compound interest in terms of investment using a graphics calculator. Now, I've actually gone through this exact same example using this version of the compound interest formula. So showing you how to do it by substituting those values into this formula and working it out just on a normal calculator. But now I'm going to show you how to input those values on the graphics calculator and just a few things that you should know if you want to, I guess, manipulate some of those values as well. So first of all, when you're going to graphics calculator, we're using the financial function. So head down there. Again, we're looking at compound interest, so F2. Now, for N, we're talking about the number of periods that the interest is being compounded for. The number of periods that the interest is being compounded for. So the example again is $8,800 is placed into an account which pays 4.8% per annum. Interest compounded monthly. Find the account balance after 3 years. So 3 years compounded monthly. Every month for 3 years, that means 3 times 12, which is 36. So N here, or the value of N here is 36. Okay, so type that in and hit execute. The interest rate here, you are going to leave as a percentage. See the percentage sign there? So don't convert it to a decimal like I did when I was using the formula, or using this formula anyway. Leave it as 4.8%. So just type in 4.8 and hit execute. No need to put the percentage sign there. The present value, so that's the money that you're investing. Now, importantly, when you're using a graphics calculator to calculate compound interest on an investment, so money, I guess you're putting into a bank, okay, you're giving to the bank temporarily, that's going to be a minus value. Okay, so you're going to make that minus, in this case, 8,800. If you were taking out a loan, that would be a positive value, but for the sake of an investment, just when you type it in, put it as a negative value. So present value minus 8,800 because you're giving it to the bank. PMT is basically the payment per term. We're not going to be making any payments because we're investing this amount, so you can simply leave that one blank. The future value is what we're being asked to find out. And P/Y, so payments per year, that's going to be, I guess, the compound frequency. So in this case, it's monthly. So P/Y is going to be 12 because it's compounded every month. So 12 as in 12 times per year. I'll leave that as 12. If it was, for example, quarterly, P/Y would be 4. If it was half yearly, it would be 2, etc. Okay, now the last thing on here is the C/Y. That will always be the same as the P/Y. Okay, so just leave that as 12. It should automatically change that to 12 for you. Now what we're calculating is the future value of this investment. Now, like I said, I've already done it here. The answer is actually $10,160.06 approximately. So to actually calculate it using the graphics calculator, I've put those values in, everything I need to. I'm just going to work out future value by pressing F5. Okay, and that will determine the future value for me. So go ahead and press F5. And there it is, $10,160.06 approximately. So that's how you use your graphics calculator to calculate compound interest when you're investing money. If you want to go back and change things, you just press exit here and you can change, see how changing the rate or the number of years would affect that overall future value. All right, other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Just popping your values into that function on your graphics calculator and it doing the work for you. Okay, thanks for watching.